Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding. They provide clarity, improve accessibility, and allow people to follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability.
Join me as I take on the challenge of painting a serene mountain landscape using just my fingers on a mini canvas. In this video, you will learn how to paint a serene mountain landscape using nothing but your fingers. This unique approach allows for a more personal touch and an engaging experience. Many people think painting requires brushes and complex techniques, which can be intimidating. I've always believed that art should be accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level or experience. By using our fingers, we can tap into our creativity and have fun while doing it. It's amazing how something as simple as finger painting can bring out our inner child and allow us to express ourselves in a more carefree way. Even if you've never painted before, don't worry, this technique is super easy to follow and requires minimal equipment. Just remember to have fun and be patient with yourself as we go through this process. The challenge here is to show that anyone can create beautiful art with just their fingers. No need for fancy brushes or expensive materials, just your fingers and a mini canvas. I'm excited to see what we can create together. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about finger painting? Can't we just use brushes like everyone else? But that's exactly the point. Finger painting is a unique approach that allows us to get up close and personal with our art. It's a more tactile experience that lets us feel the pain and connect with our creativity on a deeper level. You will explore different techniques for using your fingers to blend colors and create textures, focusing on the mountains, sky, and foreground elements in your landscape. We'll start with the basics and build our way up, so don't worry if you're new to painting. I'll guide you through each step, and before you know it, you'll be creating your own stunning mountain landscape. One of the key things to keep in mind when finger painting is to be gentle and patient. You don't want to press too hard, as this can create unwanted ridges and textures. Instead, use your fingertips to blend the colors and create soft, gradual transitions. It's all about experimentation and having fun with the process. As we work on our painting, I want you to think about the mood and atmosphere you want to create. Do you want a serene and peaceful landscape, or something more dramatic and moody? The beauty of finger painting is that you can easily switch up your style and try new things, so don't be afraid to get creative and take risks. The key moment will be when you reveal the completed painting, showcasing the vibrant colors and serene composition achieved through finger painting. It's amazing how something as simple as using your fingers can create such stunning results. I love how the paint blends and merges to create a sense of depth and dimensionality. It's truly magical. As you step back and admire your handiwork, take pride in knowing that you created something beautiful and unique. Remember, art is all about experimentation and having fun, so don't worry if your painting doesn't turn out exactly as you envisioned. The process is just as important as the final result, and I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Take a closer look at the finished painting and notice how the colors blend and merge to create a sense of depth and dimensionality. And the best part, it's super fun. Finger painting is also an amazing way to express ourselves, telling stories and conveying emotions through vibrant colors and textures. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, finger painting offers a unique opportunity to experiment, take risks, and push the boundaries of what's possible. By embracing the unpredictability of finger painting, you can discover new aspects of yourself and your creativity, unlocking a sense of freedom and confidence that will stay with you long after the paint dries. From bold, expressive brushstrokes to delicate, intricate details, finger painting is all about exploration and experimentation. It's a journey of trial and error, where the process is just as important as the final result. And that's what makes it so exciting. Every piece is a surprise, a unique reflection of your mood, emotions, and experiences. As we delve into the world of finger painting, I want to encourage you to let go of any preconceptions or doubts you may have. Finger painting is not just for kids, nor is it just a messy activity with no artistic merit. It's a legitimate art form that requires skill, patience, and practice, but also yields incredible rewards. Let's dive into the world of finger painting techniques, tools, and materials. One of the most important things to consider is the type of paper you use. Look for high-quality, heavy-duty paper that can withstand the moisture and texture of the paint. You'll also want to choose a paint that's specifically designed for finger painting, with vibrant colors and a smooth, creamy consistency, and even household items like combs or forks. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. That's what finger painting is all about. Another crucial aspect of finger painting